has dried up. There you have it. See that? Wow. After that you cut it in your own size yenye unapenda, but mimi nakata ndogo ndogo so that it becomes easy for oil to fry it. It becomes easy to fry it because of the thickness and thinness of each and every piece. Welcome to Quick One Homemade. This is where we explore different cuisine from different culture, and in our cooking episode we have different episodes. You can check them on my uploads on my videos. We have several episodes of different cooking series, and today in our cooking series we are going to prepare chips zege in Kiswahili. In English I can only say it's chips eggs recipe. So stay tuned, stay watching as you learn some of the things that you may not have known. The last, I want you to learn the process. So I'm going step by step so that you don't skip, you don't miss each or any of the things that I'm doing. So you just prepare your potato chips as normal, vile una prepare kawaida. Unachukua tu potatoes, you peel them, then you cut them into chips size, the way I'm doing. Yeah. The purpose of cutting them into these small pieces is to help oil to fry it easily because of the thickness and thinness of each and every piece. See that? Just like one. There we go. This is another style you can use. See what I've done? Have you seen what I've done? Simple, nice and easy. There we go, and we are finished. We are done. So let's clear this. Dry them using dry them with oil. This oil we fry chips. So let me test if it's hot enough. So you can clearly see that my oil is hot enough. So right. Can you hear that sound of frying potatoes? Yeah, so it's drying up. It's almost ready. It has dried up actually. Just waiting for it to start turning the color. Let me show you. It has dried up and flavor. So it's just waiting for that color, that special color of chips. Yeah. I can smell the sweet aroma of chips. I can smell the sweet aroma. Actually, it has dried up. Yeah, this one is ready. I think just few minutes. They are dried up. I think they are ready. I guess this chips is ready, guys. Yeah, chips is ready. Chips is finally ready, and it has turned out to be so good. It smells nice. I can smell the aroma of potatoes, fried potatoes. Tell me in the comment section at what stage do you think chips is ready? At this stage, or should we wait a little bit long or we have passed the stage where we are supposed to remove, just tell me in the comment section. For me, I think in this stage it's ready, so I'm going to get it off. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Check me next on our next episode. It has been yours truly and truly, Jayuga. Bye bye. Cool, amazing clothes. There you have it.